The topic of today's video is how to create Gantt charts in Microsoft Planner. And guys, I'm going to tell you right now that there is no way to create Gantt charts in Microsoft Planner. And I know this to be a fact because I too spent quite a bit of time on YouTube trying to figure out how to do this, and had to watch a few of those clickbait videos to send me into a deep dive to go and figure out if this was real or not. And it's definitely not real. I can assure you every video that you're going to watch telling you how to do it is not going to be able to tell you how to do it. So I just figured I'd make this video to sort of bust the myth and hopefully end your search and stop you from wasting any more of your time. Sorry that I don't have a solution for you guys, but at least now you know there's no built-in feature for it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing if you want more of the clickbait myths busted, and I'll see you in the next one.